Hi guys, welcome to AKA Our Life. Today we're going to show you a cool project, how you can repurpose an old TV cabinet and turn it into a retro looking TV. AKA Our Life. Keith's my husband.
Abby's my wife.
Our daughter went to college. What did we do?
Started a blog to make videos for you.
So I had this little toy one here, and I showed it to Keith, and I said, I want our TV cabinet to look like this style. Okay, so we'll show you the before picture. We have a white TV cabinet, very inexpensive, and we'll be painting it red.
We are going to trick out and repurpose a drab old dresser. Step one, I needed to mount the TV. So what I did, I bought a new mount, which you can see right here. It's like on an arm.
Cool.
And I had to measure it just right, and it barely hovers over. It's actually kind of sitting on it. Maybe it hovers over about 1/4 of an inch right above the piece of furniture. So it's going to be nice and straight. So when we do the rest of the install.
You can see I've already started painting the cabinet red. And we're gonna have to put a cover here. Keith's gonna make a little door to cover. This used to be for a VCR and DVD player and stuff like that. All right, Keith, what you got going on out here?
Just wrapping up.
He's been hard at work.
Built you a box.
3-sided box, and then on the front, we've rounded out the corners where the TV will go.
Got fancy with the router.
Keith is the carpenter, and I am the painter.
And if we want to, we can do our own TV.
We could do our own.
No!
It's just like YouTube. Welcome to the Jessie Show. Okay, it's the moment of truth.
The drum roll.
To see if it fits on the top, and it should because you measured it very carefully. Oh, oopsies. Wow. That looks cool. And Keith's made a door that's gonna cover this part. Okay, what's the next step?
We are putting some faux knobs on the television set here.
So we got the speaker on, and we put 2 faux knobs on that, and we're using those as handles.
Of course, you can get anything on eBay. So I paid like $10 or $15 for just a box full of knobs.
All of these, and these aren't even all of them. These are just some of the knobs.
It came with all kinds of old electronic components too.
Yeah, I don't even know what we're gonna do with all of this stuff, but we weren't able to buy just a few. We had to buy a whole big box of them. So we picked out the ones we like, and Keith is going to attach them to our TV.
So a lot of these have backs on them, as you can see, like right here. They did these things here to hook them into them. So I cut that off of this one, so you can see there's a little nub there. I can't get the whole thing off, so I'm going to drill a slight indentation into the wood here so it sets flush.
Okay, and then we're just going to glue them on because they don't have to actually turn. Okay, we are finally finished with our TV project.
Yeah, it's been a long road.
I mean, we've been working on this just like bits and pieces on the weekend, but you guys want to see the finished product? Here we go. All right, Keith, do you want to tell them what is inside the cabinet?
There was one thing that Abby said this TV must have.
Yes.
For y'all that were born in the 70s and were kids in the 80s, it's the original Nintendo.
The NES. This is my original NES, and we still have all of our games. Check that out. But my favorite game of all, Dr. Mario. Anybody else play this game? I love this game. I was obsessed with it. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And we hope that we have inspired you to create something fun. Whether it's a retro TV cabinet or something else, let us know what creative projects you have done. Keith, great job with the woodworking on this one. That was very impressive. You would never know that this was just an inexpensive old TV cabinet that we already had. And we really didn't spend a lot of money on this project.
No, just some wood and a little bit for the knobs.
Yeah, and the paint.
And the paint.
And that was it. So thanks for watching, and in case we don't see ya, good afternoon.
Good evening.
And good night.
Be sure to like,